The history of architectural aluminum framing systems. Welcome to Building Knowledge 101. In this video, we look at the history of architectural framing systems and how aluminum has become the metal of choice. Prior to the advent of architectural aluminum frame, wood was used to secure glass in buildings. Wood was cheap, readily available, easy to fabricate. The problem was that wood sills were constantly exposed to moisture, leading to rotting, weakening, softening, and ultimately the collapse of the sill, breaking of the glass. Retail shop owners purchased plate glass insurance to cover the inevitable cost of replacing their glass over and over. In 1906, an architect by the name of Francis Plym, while walking down the street with his wife in Kansas City, pointed out the wood supporting a large plate glass window was already softening and sinking. The building had not opened, but Plym pointed out that they would soon be replacing the glass. He decided at that time to come up with a sustainable, resilient alternative to wood that would protect the glass. Plym began working with various metals to come up with a better option than wood. He eventually settled on aluminum and started offering aluminum storefronts. Plym's vision for a new framing design took off in his first big project, the Johnson Department Store. This was the birth of architectural aluminum framing, and aluminum remains to this day the metal of choice. After the adoption of aluminum frame storefronts, the next logical step was to offer aluminum entrances. This was a very successful release, leading to a wide range of options available today. Operable windows were required to provide ventilation and air circulation to the interior buildings. Although wood was used for windows into the late 1900s, aluminum was adopted in the middle of the century as an option. Today, the vast majority of commercial windows are made with aluminum. Aluminum was instrumental in expanding and utilization of slope and overhead glazing. This glazing method was popular for opening the core of buildings to increase natural daylighting. It can also be a tool for artistic architectural design, as it allows designers to work with glass on multiple planes. Over the years, additional framing systems have been introduced in aluminum. Since the majority of the exterior of a building envelope is vertical, the backbone of aluminum architectural framing has been, since the beginning, fixed vertical glazing. As construction methods and delivery methods have changed, vertical frames have been expanded and evolved. That is all we have time for in this video. If you'd like to watch more of our 101 video series, subscribe to our YouTube channel, Kawneer Company, Inc.